I would like to show everybody um, a inventory software, something that's incredible. Very difficult to find one made in the US. This is one from the UK, but their support is incredible. And they programmed for us the US Postal and as well as FedEx here in the US with the API, the new API. So as you can see, we've already completed some picking and packings. These are the customers, basically. Who's the customers? The customers are the marketplaces, the online marketplaces that we connected to. So we have all these different Amazons. We got eBay, Etsy, TikTok, Walmart, our own website. Yeah, so it works with everybody. And there's so much more marketplaces. I mean, there's so many options from all over. It's incredible. And if they don't have it, they program it for you extremely fast. They're an incredible team. Inventory, you go to, it's called parts. They're British, but they're amazing. Tells you, the category. I created the brand, how much is in stock. Like this is telling me I'm low because I tell it a lead time is 90 and I want at least 2 for this item, or 90 and at least 20 on this item. So it's telling me I got 10 left and I got 90 days. That'd be like if within 90 days I'm going to be finishing these 10. And it comes out as a report as well in the reports over here in the report center. And it also sends me an automatic email, Here the inventory gets updated based off every single marketplace. So if in this marketplace, you buy 1, this one buys 2, this one buys 3, automatically all the marketplaces, the inventory gets updated, of course. And it's amazing. You can program, the title, the brand, the category, the UPC for the barcode. You can even do an EAN if you have one, or a GTIN, an ASIN you can put in if you want that. This just tells you the log of what came in, what went out of all these items, the cost, and all that kind of things. The vendors, the price, the case size, height, weight, so that it knows for shipping, an image, multiple images, price list. So you see I have here online, and I have here 30% wholesale. If somebody buys $2,500, I could automatically change that. This is if I make it myself in the inventory system. It tells me my profits on this. Now this is profits just on, you're based on purchasing and sales, not shipping costs involved and all that. Marketplaces, these are the different marketplaces that I sell it at these prices. And this one's Canadian dollars, so it's more. And it's all connected, and there's this seller SKU in each place. It's all connected. You can change the connections. You can add specific barcodes over here if you have another barcode, an older one, or you can add different identifiers if you have special barcodes like items sold by the weight. Here this is sold by pricing. But if it's sold by the weight, you can program barcodes that have weights in it and different multiple things. You create purchase orders, scan them in, scan them out, etc. Sales orders. So my default sales orders, it shows me a queue of what's pending still. So if I have all orders, like everything including what was done, I'm loading right now a few hundred, quite a few hundred, so it takes time to load, but these are already done. I did all the FedEx already. Now I got to do US Postal. So you see it has a green, because these are still pending. I didn't yet do the US Postal. Before, when a new order comes in, there's you have to create the label. So what you do is you simply, select all. You say create label, and it'll create all these labels. It'll turn green. If something turns red, that means there's something wrong with the label. It's like the address, and you'll search it, and you see they either spelled it wrong, or it's a new address, it's not in the system, etc. But these are all that's remaining. So I can create different queues. I say FedEx orders, there's nothing right now because I did them. USPS, so orders with shipment errors, any red ones, nothing's there. I fixed them all already. USPS orders remaining to do that are still pending, and you can change all that in different queues up here. And I already created these. So now that these are created, you can change it. I removed the name, but you can change it. I can show the billing address, the name, the ship to name, but for this video I removed that. So I can select all these that are good to go. I have 6, let's say right now, and I say group picking, and create a group picking, and it tells me what I gotta pick. Now that I know what I need to pick, it also automatically goes into the scanner, and I can start scanning. It'll instantly print these labels that are pre-made for me all the labels, you see these labels are pre-made. You're not creating them, you create them in advance, you check them, and now you just scan and it just prints them. I'm going to go back, I can merge this batch, I don't have anybody with the same address, and it automatically happens. You create rules, like how do you know that this product should have FedEx envelope rates, one rates, or PO boxes has to go with USPS ground. You can create different rules in here for where things are going, international rules, and it automatically creates the carrier for you, and you can manually also set it or update it. Preferred carrier, you can change, all the different ones and things like that. And I manage the pickings. I already created this big picking here. I just want to re-pick it up one more time, and I can say print by the queue, and it'll print to my printer. And now I'm going to pull these, and I'll put up another video of how the scanner looks.